What is up, guys? John from Whitley Auto Works here, and I have a massive spray gun giveaway going on right now until July 8, 2026. All these prizes are going to one of you guys, and it is free to enter, or you can pick up additional entries by getting a combo pack. Just go to WHITLEYAutoWorks.com and click that shining face you see in front of you holding the big combo pack. You'll get one free entry, and you'll get an additional entry for each combo pack you buy. You'll get a sticker and a random pearl. And if you want to enter for free, guys, just go to the main page, click the giveaway button, put your information in with the email and name and everything, and you automatically enter for free. Any support you give is greatly appreciated. And now let's get into the episode. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Today is my grand finale with Rust-Oleum color shifts in a can. What I've done is pick the three most commonly known and popular Rust-Oleum color shifts in a can: Blue Cosmos, Pink Champagne, and Green to Copper, and we're going to mix and match them today as you have requested over various different speed shapes and see what happens when you decant these cans and combine them and create all new color shifts. And as always, I've got a fender prepped up back there, so for a grand finale, we're going to take all three of them, mix them together, and shoot them over top of this fender over here and see if we can't create something really unique and cool using only Rust-Oleum color shifts out of a spray can. So first step is we got to get the spray paint out of these cans. So we're going to decant them, and let me show you how we're going to do it. Alright, guys, so you'll notice the speed shapes back there, they're all black today because these are all white based particle color shifts in a spray can, and they work best over top of a black base as we've shown in past episodes. So the contenders for today are Blue Cosmos, Pink Champagne, and Green Copper. All really cool in their own right, but what happens when we use this bad boy right here at the tops of these spray cans, take all the pressure out of them, and we decant them. When you do this, guys, you want to make sure these cans have not been shaken up because they were pressurized even more when they're shaken up. So I'm going to pop the caps on all these and use this lightly twisting against the side till I create a small hole. I let it gas off. I open it up even more, and then I can pour it into cups, and we'll see how much do you really get for your money out of these color shift spray cans. Let's get into it. Alright, guys, so as you can see in here, I have created a small little pinhole, and I'm safely letting this gas off. I just used a self-tapping screw and some pliers so I could get a good grip on it. And you can hear it gassing, so it's going to take quite a few minutes. I'll do that with each one of these cans, and then I'll open up the hole completely with that set screw right there, and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, guys, so I had a little bit of a mishap off camera, and my green to gold prematurely shot off aerosol, let's just say that. So as far as how much these little cans contain, typically about 10 to 11 ounces. I got 10 ounces out of that, 10 ounces out of that, and only about 3 ounces out of that. But luckily we're mixing them together over speed shapes, so it won't take a whole lot. So I'm going to have to be sparingly with it, but that's just the nature of doing these videos, right? Sometimes everything goes perfectly, sometimes they don't, but you roll on. And I've got other cups right here. I'm going to split this right here between those three cups, get them all set up, and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Alright, guys, so after mixing and matching, we have blue and pink, we have pink and green, and we have blue and green. That takes care of mixing and matching these right here. That way we can shoot them over different speed shapes, see what we get. We'll take them out in the sun, and yeah, let's have some fun. I'm going to get to spraying, and then we'll see the results. Alright guys, we got quite the lineup of speed shapes. This right here is your blue Cosmos mixed with a little bit of pink champagne. Actually, they're mixed 50-50. I try to get as close as possible, and man, you have a very cool effect. You see the sparkle of the pink champagne over top of that blue, and it's a very interesting result. This next one is your green and copper over top of pink champagne, or actually all mixed together. So kind of disregard that. It's a little bit trippy, a little bit confusing. There's a lot going on here, and you can kind of see as I move around it, you see a little bit of the pink champagne coming through the green, and a very cool effect. And then finally, over here, we have the blue Cosmos mixed with the green and copper. A very cool effect, and you see a lot of the greens coming through, and then at certain angles you see the blues. It's really close to this one right here, but it's a little bit darker because of the blue and everything you added to it. So very cool effects over each one. So that's the blue and the green, that's the pink and the green, and that's the blue and the pink. So which one out of all three of these crazy mix-ups is your favorite? Well guys, I got very surprising results mixing and matching the pairs of each one of them out there all over those speed shapes. Some very cool effects and stuff, and you can kind of see how they kind of complement each other, especially if you go back and watch my other videos where I sprayed them all individually over a black base. But now it's time. We have plenty left over. I got it all mixed together. Blue Cosmos, pink champagne, and green copper, all in one cup over top of a black base. And then in true Whitley Auto Works fashion, we're sealing it with 2K clear. We're taking out the sun, and we're going to see what we got. I'm going to put my mask on, and let's get spraying. Alright guys, so now we have blue Cosmos and pink champagne. We have pink champagne and green copper, and we've got blue Cosmos and green copper. And then we've got a mix of all of them. And it is highly aware that green loves to dominate when mixed with every other color. We got some really cool effects though over all of these speed shapes and over the big fender. I can't really decide which one is your favorite. Alright guys, so today we got all mixed up with some Rust-Oleum color shifts in a can. Blue Cosmos, pink champagne, and green to copper. Combined in different arrangements and then mixed all together and shot over a big fender. And one thing I have to say is I notice green kind of dominates when it's in the mix. That's one thing I take away from this whole experiment today, but man, we got some really awesome color combinations that would not have been possible if not for mixing and matching and getting things all mixed up today, guys. But you know what? It's not up to me. Rate it. Which one was your favorite combination from today? 1 through 5, 1 through 10. I appreciate your comments tremendously. I love to see, which one's the favorite among everybody. And did any combinations surprise you? Did you think mixing all three of them together would come to this, or would another color dominate in your mind? That's kind of what my channel is all about, is mixing and matching different things, getting your wheels turning for future projects, and showing you guys what plus what equals what. That's just kind of the fun of this channel, experimenting like a poor man's mad scientist and just having fun, And also, I have to mention, guys, my giveaway is going right now. I got a Whitley Auto Works massive spray gun giveaway. I'm giving away 11 plus spray guns and some other prizes, and I've only got 200 people entered right now. Out of all the subscribers I got, guys, that's astronomically good odds for winning a giveaway compared to some of the other giveaways you see on YouTube. I mean, they're giving away one car to 100,000 plus people, so definitely go jump on there. It's free to enter, or you can pick up a combo sticker pack and get extra entries that way. And like I said, your odds are really, really good of taking home a brand new spray gun ranging from $20 on up to $500. Really nice stuff, guys. And yeah, I know because I reviewed it on the channel and I'm giving back to you. So appreciate you for watching today. As always, guys, I have a blast doing these spray outs and combining different things and seeing what outcomes we get. And if you like that type of stuff, guys, and you made it this far in the video, please take a second, hit that subscribe button to Whitley Auto Works, and ring the little bell beside it. You'll get notified every time a new episode drops. Leave me a quick like and comment. It helps me out tremendously with engagement and spreading these videos out and continuing to grow and be somewhat successful, so I can continue to do crazy spray outs, paint jobs, tutorials, show you guys ways to get custom paint jobs, 5,000, 10,000 looking paint jobs on a budget for a couple $100. And if you like that stuff, then Whitley Auto Works is your go-to channel. I appreciate you all for watching. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.